Injection molding is a key manufacturing process used across packaging, automotive, electronics, medical, and consumer products. As designs become more complex and production speeds increase, manufacturers need additives that improve efficiency, reduce defects, and protect molds. This is where fatty acid amides come in. Our products work by forming a self-lubricating layer that reduces friction both inside the melt and at the mold surface. This dual lubrication helps stabilize processing and improve final part quality. During injection molding, molten polymers face high shear, pressure, and temperature. Without proper lubrication, this can lead to high energy use, unstable flow, mold sticking, and surface defects. Our products address these issues through controlled surface migration, also known as blooming. As the amide migrates to the polymer surface, it creates a thin lubricating film that lowers friction and surface energy. The benefits are clear. They improve mold release, making demolding faster and reducing mold wear. They enhance melt flow, lowering viscosity, injection pressure, and energy consumption, especially important for complex parts. They also improve final part quality, delivering smoother surfaces, reduces static, less dust attraction, and better pigment dispersion. While migrating must be properly controlled, fatty acid amides remain one of the most effective and cost-efficient additives in injection molding. We welcome manufacturers, compounders, and distributors to partner with us for product development and technical support. Contact Topwellgoal to learn more how our additives can improve your injection molding performance.